السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. أرحب بكم في قناة Spoken Arabic. Alhamdulillah, we are learning Medina Arabic Reader, and today we are going to learn ninth lesson. We are trying to translate in English language and we are trying to understand Arabic sentences. Let's start. Man hadha rajul? Who is this man? Who Abbas? He is Abbas. Abbasun tajir. Abbas is a merchant. Abbasun tajirun ghani. Abbas is a rich merchant. Hamidun mudarris. Hamid is a teacher. Hamidun mudarrisun jadid. Hamid is a new teacher. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha tufa. This is an apple. At-tufahu fakihatun laziza. The apple is a tasty fruit. Ma dhalik? What is that? Dhalika usfur. That is a sparrow. Al-usfur ta'irun saqir. The sparrow is a small bird. Al-arabiyyatu lughatun sahla. Arabic is an easy language. Al-arabiyyatu lughatun jamila. Arabic is a beautiful language. Ammarun talibun mujtahid. Ammar is a hard-working student. Mahmudun talibun kaslan. Mahmud is a lazy student. Man anta? Who are you? Anta talibun jadid. Are you a new student? Naam ana talibun jadid. Yes, I am a new student. Tamarin exercises. Iqra waktub. Read and write. Muhammadun talibun jadid. Muhammad is an old student. Adhalika rajulu mudarrisun jadid. Is that man a new teacher? La, huwa tabibun jadid. No, he is a new doctor. Hada darsun sahal. This is an easy lesson. Abbasun tajirun shahir. Abbas is a famous merchant. Bilalun muhandisun kabir. Bilal is a big. ضع في الفراغ في الجمل الآتية نعتا مناسبا. Fill in the blank in each of the following sentences with a suitable adjective. Khatijatu talibatun mujtahida. Khatija is a hardworking student. Khalidun tajirun shahirun. Khalid is a famous merchant. Al-Arabiyatu lughatun sahla. Arabic is an easy language. Al-Usfuru ta'irun saghirun. The sparrow is a small bird. At-tuffahu fakihatun laziza. The apple is a tasty fruit. Ana mudarrisun qadim. I am an old teacher. Muhammadun tabibun shahirun. Muhammad is a famous doctor. Al-Ingliziyatu lughatun sa'ba. English is a difficult language. Anta talibun jadid. Are you a new student? Al-Qahiratu madinatun jamila. Cairo is a beautiful city. ضع في المكان الخالي في الجمل الآتية منعوتا مناسبا. Fill in the blank in each of the following sentences with a suitable منعوت. Al-Arabiyyatu lughatun sahla. Arabic is an easy language. Ana mudarrisun qadim. I am an old teacher. Ammarun tajirun ghaniyun. Ammar is a rich merchant. Hada qalamun maksur. This is a broken pen. Faisalun talibun kaslanu. Faisal is a lazy student. Iqra. Read. Kaslanu lazy. Jaw'anu hungry. Atshanu thirsty. Mal'anu full. Ana jaw'an. Am hungry. Anta jaw'an. Are you hungry? La ana atshan. No, I am thirsty. لماذا المدرس غضبان اليوم? Why the teacher is angry today? Al-Kubu Mal'an. The cup is full. If you want to translate any sentence, please comment it. For watching Arabic videos, thank you very much.